that's the Mr. Evil. Oh, I gotta put in.
Who? Jin Yao Zhang.
Yeah, that's. So he looks like you, bro.
Bro, that's my cousin.
Look at me. Look at me. You're the same person. I swear.
Get in that corner right now.
I'm sorry.
What's my name?
Zing zong zing.
Close enough.
What is it? Zing zang zang. Former corporate lawyer. Oh, you're legal. Oh, you took the mask. I fucking. Ah! Oh my god.
Nah, leave it
You're
on
a
for now.
different character.
Yeah, I'm white now.
You're Asian.
What?
You're a little Asian man.
Wait. Am I Takiao?
Bro, you look exactly like him.
I think we go exploring today.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna drop this here for a second. I'm gonna go drink water and then I'm ready to go.
Ooh, I'm scared. Oh yeah, I need some food. Rotten oysters. Ew, ew. I'm gonna eat a MRE pack. Wait, I gotta get my Segway.
It's to my left. Look, follow me. I found the perfect spot, bro.
You look so cool.
I know. And take a right. Oh,
Oh, are you okay?
Okay.
I just took a shit take. Mushroom. Oh no.
Look at this, bro.
Whoa.
Don't lie, this is sick. Cause look, there's a path already built into it.
Whoa. Where are we?
Do you see it?
I see it.
We're literally like,
Should we go to
just-
the purple thing? Right in front of us?
um,
Back our base, and then there's a little thingy right there.
where is our base? It's like diagonal
Where
left,
Calvin
isn't
is.
it?
Actually, wait. Let's go back to base really quickly.
Yeah.
We gotta do something. I witnessed in my playthrough, was playing a little bit after you got off. Wherever you place a tarp tent, it'll show on the map your base.
So we should just place one near our base.
Yeah, so we can like.
Place one where it's like you can't see it, but it still shows us where to go. Over here. Over here. Over here is perfect.
Okay.
Look, like down here. Build on that little island. They're floating on, because we're never going to use
yeah,
it.
that's perfect, yeah.
Is there any food I can eat?
I don't.
I can eat.
There might be some dried stuff up there.
I can eat the crunchy munchies, but I think that's a good decoration. I won't lie to you.
Do you know how? Look at the dried stuff. Is there no dried meat?
There is. I picked up dry meat. Watch, I just cook it now.
No, you can just eat it raw. It's really good, even if you eat it raw. I think it does the same.
Okay.
Oh, let me open your skin pouches. It's just for ore mining in the caves. Here, stick it on that stick right here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What about this guy?
Okay.
What about this guy?
Is that the turtle head?
Yeah.
I think he should watch us while we sleep.
While we sleep.
I'm sleeping.
Yeah, it's gonna sleep.
Honestly, let's just leave it instantly.
We got jumped again.
Oh.
Here, lighter out. L.
Yeah. Let's fucking beat their ass. No one jumps
Oh my
us.
god, what? It's like a giant ass club. Oh, skin pouch, thank you. Ah, yeah! Oh, another skin pouch, thank you.
Fucking cunt.
This guy's climbing
Jump
a tree.
me
Look at him.
again
Look
and
at him
walk.
on the tree.
I don't see him.
Oh my god! Holy
No
shit!
save, first aid.
Okay. Here, you know what? Let's burn these bodies, bro.
Oh, I found it.
I think you actually
It's on the map.
you can show titties in this game on YouTube because I saw one person blur it, but I saw another person just not blur it.
Yeah, probably age restricts it though.
Yeah.
Just blur it anyhow.
Hello.
Yeah.
You're gonna want to see this. Oh.
It's a cave, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh.
How do we get him down?
Well, we go to the top and cut it.
There's vodka.
You wait there.
Okay. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you take fall damage with the vehicle, so whenever you're done, just roll down.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you saved them!
Sure
oh wait,
did.
find team B, 1 out of 3. Oh, so we have to find all the people in the helicopter crash. Oh shit. Aura. Are you okay?
What? Flashlight.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Flashlight. I was going through caves in my playthrough with fucking a lighter, bro. What the hell?
Wait, do I have a flashlight now as well?
Yeah. And it takes batteries, so watch out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use it.
Yeah, just use it whenever we're in caves. Should we go to the orange thing then? See that orange thing on the map?
Yeah, let's go, let's go. I love the jumping. Jump when you're going down a cliff, bro. You go flying.
Yeah. I
Oh.
saw you!
Ow.
Oh wait, what the fuck? My one just fell off.
I think you can fall from certain heights, but you don't take damage.
There's a glider we can find as well. Oh shit!
Yeah, it's on top of the main peak,
Ow.
is it not?
I think there's a bunch.
Oh. Let's go check out these purple things.
Okay. There's one on the water.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You see any sharks?
No.
I'm sprinting the water, by the way.
Nah.
There's another dude. Oh yeah, find team B, 2, 3, this, MRE packs. Oh!
What?
Blicky Catastefia! Catastefia! Wait, let me get a seagull. Hey, bitch! I missed. Wait. Get him! Oh,
my
I
ammo.
got one!
I'm not wasting my ammo.
Oh. Anyways, bye! Oh! Oh my god!
What was that?
Keep swimming, bro! Keep swimming!
Who was that running around?
Where?
It was a seagull.
Oh. I got bit by a shark, bro.
Did you actually?
Yeah! Oh my god.
When you have a high FOV on with this pistol, it looks so stupid.
I know. Let me add it to my hotbar just in case. I'm gonna do it under 2. Pew, pew, pew! We're gone.
Okay, get off.
I
Come on,
want to
bitch.
talk to your leader. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, bro, he's all yours.
Oh my god! Jeez, you shot me, bro! Oh, this guy has a golden mask. He's the group leader.
Come here, you fucking bitch. Don't run away. He's climbing up the tree. Hell no, you can run away.
Ooh, what do we have here?
I shot all of them. Look at that purse, bro.
Oh shit.
I can't carry any more skulls.
You're evil. Mr. Mask is back. I'm gonna make some blueberries. I ate the blueberry like a gobblegum, like flipped it up.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh no.
Did you do the Duke Dennis thing where he like shakes it?
I wish. If you hold E on some blueberries, you might do a little gobblegum thing.
It's like we're on top of it.
Oh, I see. We need a
What
shovel.
is it? Is it underground?
It's a grave.
Where?
Right here on me. Look, it's a grave and then you shovel. I know a shovel. I have a shovel on my playthrough, but I don't know which. I know it's one of the caves.
Do you want to go back to the Starter Island cave? Look, it's right in front of us.
Oh, I know what that cave is. That's not. We actually can do it though because there's good stuff in there.
Yeah, let's do it then.
Okay.
No, you're the worst, man. Right.
I'm gonna clear this whole fucking river. Oh shit!
Oh shit! No.
Oh! Oh, what's up? We landed in the same place. Oh, we parked. Look, there's a camp. Perfect. Oh! Ha! No! Screenshot!
Sigma.
Screenshot!
Where's my gun?
What?
Where's the gun?
It's at the briefcase, top briefcase. Here, sit down. I want to take a screenshot of you. Holy shit!
I know.
That's actually aura. Okay, right here.
How did I land?
This is the very start. I was like, oh my god, we're gonna go here later.
Get me in there.
Do the honors.
I didn't like the bats. Wait, I need to drink water. How can I drink water?
Drink an energy drink.
Oh yeah. I'll be back. I need to take a piss. Give me 2 seconds.
Yeah. Oh my god, now the bats fucking spawn in. Jesus.
The bat spawned in for me already. It was so scary.
Bro, I told you. I said yesterday the scariest part about caves are the bats.
Oh, this is sick. This is so cool. There's a laptop here with like an emergency thing.
Oh, yeah. Hover over that. New location discovered. Entertainment bunker.
Ooh.
Oh, and no. Puffcorp outbid Sahara Therapeutics for remote island.
That must be this island.
Yeah. I have so much flares. I'm just gonna like, I'm gonna deep rock the shit out of this game. I don't think there's a flare gun in this game. Oh my god! I told you, bro.
Let's go right. It looks safer.
Yeah. There's upside down crosses.
That's worm face.
Worm face?
No, turn back.
Wait.
Grenade,
bro.
grenade.
Grenade, yeah. Fire in the hole! Get off him! Nihil! Oh my god, we did it. Spin his ass, spin his ass. Here, let's call the radio.
This is a vibe. It's in the roof. You pick it up. I already have them.
I have one in my inventory. Wait, let me turn this one off then. Let me turn my one on. Sounds like a Spotify ad. Oh, babies!
What the fuck?
Kill them! Kill them! There's one more. song. Ooh.
Oh, Sigma song. I have no stamina.
Oh. Callum.
Yeah.
We did it.
What we get? A stun gun.
Look in here. Look in there.
Wait.
What is that, Callum?
Wait. Let me get the loot. Oh, vodka.
What is that?
Well,
What's that red light?
who is that?
Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is scary. Okay. Oh, yeah, I think. Caleb, am I tripping, or look in the water?
Yeah, there's definitely a megalodon.
That's a megalodon. A megalodon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Caleb. We got the rebreather.
Oh, nice.
I got bones. Yeah.
That's super good.
Yeah. Now, are we going the shark way?
What? Shark way?
We could
Oh, I
probably
see.
shoot him. We could probably shoot him. Here.
Yeah, he's dead.
Easy.
How do we equip the rebreather?
Yeah, equips automatically. Oh god. So dark.
Who are you? Get the fuck away from my house, please. You're not welcome.
Prank him, John. Sorry. What?
What?
What? Stay away from him!
Nah, leave him for me. If he gets back up, watch.
Oh my god.
I was just making sure he stays down.
I'm just taking a bullet to the head.
Absolute tank.
Look what Calvin did.
What'd he do?
Look at this.
Huh? Oh. Get him to fill up the logs now.
Well, when he comes back.
How long is that gonna be?
I think he'll teleport in a couple
Minutes.
Yeah.
I might just cut down. I think we should start that scout thing I was talking about.
So the bridge and stuff.
Yeah, but how do we make it? Do we just build platforms in the water?
There is these things.
Or we
there.
can build it here, look. This would be easier. Just build platforms in this bed.
Oh, look. And then we can.
Oh, yeah.
We can
And then
snap
build
it.
a ramp.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's start that.
I'm gonna just finish. It doesn't let me start unless we finish it. Okay.
Yeah, just quickly finish it.
We might need to get that log sled.
Maybe, but we might as well just
We
finish
have
this brick
sticks.
first before thinking about it. Oh, we have enough right now.
Yeah.
You build a log sled and I'll just keep building this.
Okay.
This is gonna take a while.
Yeah. A basic log sled or a log sled? Oh, the log
Build.
Oh.
If we can build the better one, build the better one.
Yeah. It has like fucking headlights, bro. What the fuck? Wait.
That thing looks sick.
So much sticks.
How much? Like 50?
Yeah, it was like 60, I think.
Jesus.
It's okay, we got it. And Kelvin.
Yeah, we
get more.
fine. Mm-hmm. We're gonna need a lot of logs, bro. We do not have nearly
Yeah.
enough. Okay, you go collect wood and I'll keep doing this.
Yeah, okay. I'll just put this here. Wait. I want to see how this works. Wait, can I just throw it? Oh, I can. Hell yeah. Coming in!
What the hell?
What's up, man?
Thank you.
these rocks are getting annoying. They're always
What
in the way.
rocks?
The fucking like big rocks you build with are getting in the way.
Yeah, well, just move them. Or
Yeah.
just chuck them up a second. Because honestly, we could probably build another. Here, wait. I'll chop down the trees and you do the foundation. Because I don't really. I'm kind of useless at the building. I did the stair though, so you can just immediately keep doing the foundations over and over again.
No, that's way too big. There's I'm putting up small platforms. There's medium, but I don't think we need medium.
I think the left is more like the side over there, over on that side.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go drive this over.
Do you think it'll fit in the bridge?
Yeah, it should. And if it doesn't, then I'll just go the long way around. It doesn't bother me. The stairs aren't. Oh, never mind. Yeah, look.
Oh hell yeah! Oh.
The skulls. Just wait. If I just jam through really quick,
You got it.
wait.
You got it. You got it.
Charge!
Oh my god! I'm like Superman.
Okay.
Really slow.
Still better than carrying two at a time.
Yeah.
Oh no! No.
It's like it's like leaving your baby in a stroller in a steep road.
And it rolls down the hill.
Yeah. Been there, done that.
Yeah. Tell me about it. Do you have the chainsaw in your single player?
Yeah, I found it in a random cave.
Does it cut down trees?
I haven't used it yet.
Oh. Well, can you see me?
Yeah, I saw you, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there's a, give me a second.
What?
That is not a
What?
fucking cannibal.
What is it?
Fucking red big baby, bro.
Do you want me to come? Do
Oh, big titties, big titties, big titties.
you want me to come?
I mean, wait. Oh, she has humongous titties. You too. Big baby. He's in our house!
I'm coming. No one goes in my house.
I'm not killing him for you. You have to see this guy. Oh my god! Leave me alone! He's gonna belly flap me! Hello. There's so much aura. Look at him! Sorry. Why does he look like this?
You know what I might do actually? I might build in that big open area I found.
Oh yeah.
Because we have so
my
much
God.
shit. Oh,
Give me
we have so much shit to get over there. Yeah. What?
Oopsie daisies. Oh my god, it happened again. I fucking hate this shit.
This is how Sigma does it.
Look how you did it.
Yeah, I'm Sigma.
Yeah. Finally got it.
Give me a second, even Sigmas make mistakes.
See ya, bro.
Bro, I'm inside.
Ow!
I'm inside. Help me.
I can't. Oh.
Oh, that worked. Why am I hearing like duck, bro?
Can you get this shit out of here? You see it, bro?
Although living on the beach might seem like a dream, we have struggles like everyone else.
Nah, Chi, I'm not gonna build there. I'll build close to the house, but not that close.
Okay.
California.
Oh, I see exactly where I'm building. I think everything should be in view from Lookout Tower.
Yeah.
That's probably a smart thing to do. Are you on the back of this? Ow!
Oh, you broke my creepy armor.
You broke mine.
No. Nice driving, asshole. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah!
Actually not.
Go away, man!
I'm gonna
Stuck on a log. Here, I got it.
Thanks.
Look, it's giving The Last of Us.
Alright, bro.
Look, it's literally giving The Last of Us.
Is this what the thing is?
I think so.
Give me 1 second, let me pee.
Okay.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, you ready?
Sure am.
Let's roll.
This is where we saw your man. That looks so
You're
scary.
playing fucking Rainbow, bro.
Better safe than sorry. There's so many batteries in here. Oh my god.
We got a 3D printer, bro. What are we printing? Arrows, a flask, a mask, a grappling hook, tack, mesh, or a sled? GPS case? What we cook? What we making?
I already have a GPS case. Let's do a mask.
Mask.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Oh, Timmy's at the back of this book. Oh yeah, Tim LeBlanc. That's him.
There's music playing, bro.
Hello.
Yeah, I hear that as well.
We don't have a key card.
It has to be in that office or something. It can't just be in a random cave. There's no way.
This guy's like, stay, yeah. Oh, you don't tell us what to do. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. Fanny face behind you.
Oh my god.
Beat his ass. That's why I kept looking up. He's over there.
There's nothing around.
Wait, give me a second.
Come quick.
Oh, it's another one.
Oh fuck. Get your gun
He
out,
just
bro.
ate a sticky bomb.
Bro.
I have no ammo.
Reload, R.
Yeah, I don't have any ammo to reload.
I
Yeah.
got him.
No, but bro, there's another one. I'm gonna throw a grenade at him. Run. Run. Run still, because I still threw it.
No!
What? I dismembered the body.
We can't skin them because... No more creepy armor for us. It's okay.
What number are you?
I'm on 16.
Yeah, I'm on 12, so it probably is. What the fuck? Zipline.
No, over here, look.
What? Oh, zipline gun.
Gun. Holy shit. Can we go on it? Well, see you later.
I'm coming. Why is there like little skeletons, ninjas? This is where you get the katana.
No. Oh, slick shot.
What?
They're not ninjas, bro.
Oh no, they're not ninjas. Perfect. Ow.
Can I open it with a pebble?
What is that red glowy thing?
Huh?
I'll do that without that. It's a SOS signal or something. New location, maintenance bunker A. Ooh. What is it clapping? It's throwing it back. Help me! Ow!
There's 3 fucking... Why is it... It's throwing it back. Hey, catch this. Hey, you too. Catch this.
He caught it alright, he ran straight into me. Push 9-1 tap, please.
Why?
Lord away. Because you threw a sticky bomb and you sprinted into me.
Wait, are you dead? No, you're just kneeling.
Wait. He's amalgamating me.
You're the worst.
Oh, you're the worst, man. What are you wearing? Ow.
Are you dead again?
Bro, I don't get time to heal. You're a waste, man. No, you're the waste, man. Bro, you just insta ghost for me.
I got one.
This time I give some time to spawn in. Bro, he's after doing a kung fu move out the ward to try to get me. She make a clap. What am I looking at? No, you're the waste, man. What do you wear?
Okay, one more.
I've hit it twice. 3 times.
Yes.
Skin his ass.
Well, at least we got a lot of creepy armor.
I have a sandwich. That's pretty creepy.
Why is that so creepy? Like, she and her mood.
Hey, what? She and I move. Oh, babies, bro.
Baby! You know you're
No, you're the way. What?
Whoa.
That didn't even scare me that time. I was just so interested. Right.
What is this?
Were you here on your main one?
No.
Yeah. Shovel.
We beat the game.
Let me put my Instagram away.
I can see something. Is this Virginia? Is this where we buried her?
West Virginia. Oh. He has a katana or something. He has a shotgun.
Don't move. Don't fucking move.
Okay, I didn't mean it. I actually did misclick.
Calvin, what you doing?
Is Calvin actually him?
You just see me give us a thumbs up.
Calvin, I want you to get logs and build,
He's gonna build it here.
maintain base. See ya, Calvin. Look at him walk into the distance, look.
I saw in the bushes. I saw like walking in the bushes. So cinematic.
You still see him?
Yeah. Let's go. Look at the English. Okay.
Where's my thing?